Hello friends, I have come here along with my gardening video again. Here I am going to show you my chili plants which are blooming now. They are flowering and they are growing chilies, really they are very hot chilies. Here I have grown these chilies in the sacks. I have repurposed those sacks that I have already mentioned in my previous video, that the rice sacks that I have repurposed, and I have grown some of the plants. So this chili you can see with the purple cute little flower peeping through the leaves, the gaps of the leaves you can see. So beautiful, amazing, isn't it? It looks so beautiful, but on the other hand these are really very hot. I want to first tell you that from where I have got this chili plant. Actually, one day I went to my um, milkmaid. Actually, I told you in my previous videos that I collect all the manure, the cow dung cake from a milkmaid. So I went there to tell her that I need some cow dung cake for my plants, for my terrace gardening. So I saw that there was a chili plant growing in her house. I told and asked her that from where she has got it, and that plant was filled with chilies. So she told that she has received some from somewhere. Somebody has given her some of the chilies, and she has planted those. So I bought two chilies from her, and then I dried them and sprinkled those seeds in these sacks, and they have grown so huge now. You can see the leaves, they are so lovely, they are so fresh and green. Now I want to tell you some of the experiences about my chili plant. One day, it's nearly 1 month back, some of the monkeys visited my terrace. They often come to our locality. Nowadays, these poor fellows, the wild fellows, they do not get their suitable habitat. They are not finding sufficient food. As you know, deforestation is a very dangerous activity being done by human beings. So as development is going on everywhere, so there is deforestation. Generally, say they are not getting suitable habitat. So they often visit our locality and they come to find out some fruits, nuts, whatever they get from the trees. And in my locality, there are a lot of trees here and there. So they were just jumping on the terrace. So that day I could not go up and see what happened actually, because I was a bit busy. So the next day I went to the terrace and tried to find out what is the change. So I did not find out such change, but all of a sudden my eyes got stuck to this chili plant and saw that the top portion of the chili plant was vanished. It was being eaten up by somebody. So then I thought that yes, these were the monkeys, those who were jumping on the terrace, because they have eaten those chilies, and because of this very hot nature of these chilies, they were jumping, and they did not get water. So they went back and they came after 2 or 3 weeks, few days back, but they never touched this plant again. So these plants, actually I have used the soil mix, that is a coco pit. I have used coco pit here, and along with that I have used some gobar, dried gobar, or the cow dung, actually dried cow dung, and along with that I use vegetable peels. Whatever vegetable peel I discard from my kitchen, that I make manure and I use it for nourishing them. You know that vegetable peels contain all the nutrients and they are good for the plants for growth. So these are the general food for them, and I water almost thrice a week, like in the morning time, or if I do not get time in the morning, I water them in the evening time, like 5 or 6, within 5 and 6 p.m. You can see these chilies. I was searching in the net that what type of chili is this. So I found out so many names in the net. Some were jalapeno, some were Hungarian chili. I did not find out the exact name of this chili. So might be it is some exotic variety. It resembles like Hungarian chili or Keralian chili. You can see this chili has a unique feature, that is it is growing upright, and it is a dark blackish purple color. The flowers are purple and the leaves are very deep green and they're very bushy. Okay, so I have not yet used this chili. Once I use, I can share my experiences. Now, one thing I must say that we Indians are fond of spices, and we generally love spicy food. We use a lot of spices. Along with that, chili is one of the very major spice for us, and without chili, we cannot think of cooking, isn't it? But chilies are very good for our body too, because they are richly supplied with vitamin C. They are good for our gastric problems. They can cure gastric problems, they can cure inflammations, and even a lot of health benefits are there. So I prefer to eat raw chilies sometimes. Whenever with roti or even with puffed rice, I eat raw chilies. And these chilies are very hot. I don't think that I can eat a full chili. Now I have grown some other varieties of chilies too in the sacks. Let me show you the second variety of chili that I have grown in the sack, and also they are ripening, and most of the chilies in that particular sack has ripened, and I'm going to pluck them today or within a day or two. So please do comment me if you have liked my chili gardening on the terrace top, that too on a discarded sack with cocoa peat and very little amount of manure and cow dung cake. But you have to remember, growing chili you need lot of sunshine. They need sunshine, and also uh, watering and well drained soil are very important for good flowering, for good fruiting, and all these things you have to remember. You can see this is the sack. This type of 3-4 sacks are there, in which individual sack has 1 or 2 chili plants. These are the bigger one, so in which I have grown. So these are the simple techniques. Just you need some time and some love for the plants and love for gardening, so you can grow and you can make your terrace green and wonderful. Whoever visits your house and go to the terrace, they will love to watch these plants. The previous video I have made one about the paper flower. You can see here, this is the second variety, which is a smaller plant. This is the chili that is growing. I have to pluck them once they become red. This is ready to eat. It is bigger. One more plant is there, I'm showing you, that has actually given out. See, there are ants. Can you see those ants are, they are moving out here and there. This type of green chilies, they have white flower. You see, this is a white flower. Okay, but the previous one that I have shown you, the purple one, they have purple flower. These are the white flower. These are also hotter one. These chilies are also very hot. So this all about my terrace gardening, my chili plants. Hope you liked my video. Do share it with your friends, and if you like it, to comment me. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video with another gardening tips or tricks and about a new plant that I will show you. Thank you again for watching. Do share it with your friends if you have liked my video. Take care. Bye bye.